What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel and to another video. And today I have a really nasty detail for you, and it's a 2007 GMC Yukon, and it's a complete disaster, and I can't wait to get my hands on it. And before starting with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos, and also go follow my Instagram. And without any further ado, let's get detailing.
Alright, and while you guys watch me take all the garbage and personal items of this vehicle, I want to talk about these really bad carpet stains. And when I was talking to the owner, she said these carpets had not been cleaned in around 6 to 7 years. So that should give you an idea of how bad and deep these stains were in the carpet. Alright, and before continuing with this video, I want to say that the two names of the lucky winners of the giveaway are in the comment section down below. And for the rest of you that participated, don't worry, as I will have more on the future as this channel grows. Alright, and as you guys can see, this carpet was full of food, debris, dirt, mud, stains, you name it. But when it came to the vacuuming, I really liked it because it was fairly easy to vacuum, and it just makes the detail go a lot more smoother, as sometimes it can be really stressful to vacuum those cheap carpets. And this was not only the dirtiest detail I've done, but it was the funniest, because it was like being on a treasure hunt as I was finding money everywhere. As you can see, I'm about to remove this back seat cover, and this is what I found. And I also like to vacuum all the floor mats while still in the vehicle, as it will make it a lot easier to do it, and it will save you one step whenever it comes to cleaning them. And here I'm using the steamer, as it really helps to get all that dirt and grime loosened up, and then just finish with the detailing brush to get into all the cracks and crevices. And when it comes to cleaning the steering wheel, I like to use a few different things. And here I started by using the soft bristle detailing brush to get into all those cracks and crevices between the buttons. And then using a magic eraser to get as much of that dirt that it was stuck in the steering wheel. And then last but not least, using the horsehair brush to make sure we completely clean the steering wheel. And finally, and for the most satisfying part, I'm applying 303 Aerospace UV Protectant. And again, I'm using the steamer here not only for easy cleaning, but also saves you a lot of time and saves you a lot of APC. And just for those of you wondering, I'm using the McCulloch canister steam cleaner that comes with 20 accessories, not only for vehicle as you can use it at home. So feel free to check it out as I have the link on the description box below. And as always, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to smash that like button.
We only see what we want to now. I long that it could last.
And to clean that back part of the seat, I'm using Chemical Guys aligning fast and then agitating with the drill brush and then using the extractor to get all the solution and water out.
This life is a battle, but not a curse.
And now when you're vacuuming leather seats, you want to be a little extra careful so you don't end up scratching or making any damage to it. And now it was a little bit of a hassle to remove the stain, but with the help of the steamer I was able to completely remove it.
In hindsight, 'cause all that's left here now is starlight. It's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay here in the street, I see what I need. I need escape from this debris. Carefree.
Alright, and I also want to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos, and also follow my Instagram as I usually post behind the scenes and some sneak peeks. And again, when using the extractor, you want to press firmly down and go as slow as you can so you can take all the solution and take most of the stains out. And I really like the results that I get with chemical guys lightning fast. But if you guys have another solution that works best for you, please feel free to comment down below. Alright, and finally this video has come to an end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. And like always, I'll see you on the next one.